Welcome to Leslie's Love and Oven. I'm Leslie and today I'm giving my oven a break. I'm going to share my recipe for a simple and refreshing summer favorite, pineapple salsa. We love making this in the summer because it goes great with chips as an appetizer or a topping with tacos or even grilled fish. Let me show you the ingredients you'll need for the pineapple salsa. So you'll need one fresh pineapple, or to make it easier on yourself, you can purchase one that's been peeled and cored in your produce section, 3 to 4 large tomatoes, half of a red onion, 1 lime, salt, and fresh cilantro. So you'll need a large bowl, and to that I'm going to start with 2 cups of finely diced pineapple. The smaller the dice, the better. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of finely diced tomato. Okay, and the next thing we add will be red onion. I usually do about a half a cup, again, finely diced. The smaller diced, the better for all these ingredients because, again, you want to be able to taste all the ingredients on a tortilla chip. So the next thing you want to do is add the juice of 1 lime right over the top. Oh, does that look good? Nice and juicy. Okay, and the other half. Oh, that smells great. Then I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. Oh my goodness, these colors look amazing. Give it a good stir, stir everything up. Wow, that smells great. And this is such a wonderful time of year to use the tomatoes from the farm stand in a recipe like this. And look how colorful that is. Wow, I can't wait to taste it. And don't forget the secret ingredient. Okay, time to taste it. That was pretty simple, right? Mmm. Tastes like summer. That is so refreshing. I love the way the pineapple contrasts with the bite of the red onion, and the cilantro makes it so mouth-watering. Delicious. So for your next backyard barbecue or pool party, try this pineapple salsa. And for the complete recipe, please visit us at lesliesloveandoven.com. And until next time, happy summer and bon appetit.